Today, we're going to discuss about natural lung detoxification. Whether you're looking to boost respiratory health or recover from exposure to pollutants, these home remedies have got you covered. Let's get started. Deep breathing exercises. Our first remedy is all about the breath. Learn the art of deep breathing to expand lung capacity and kickstart the detox process. Inhale, exhale, and let those lungs do their thing. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key. Discover why staying well hydrated helps thin mucus, making it easier for your body to flush out toxins. Aim for those 8 glasses a day and add a refreshing twist with a slice of lemon. Herbal teas. Sip your way to respiratory wellness with herbal teas. Peppermint, eucalyptus, and licorice teas bring a triple threat of anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Find out how these teas can become your new lung-loving companions. Garlic and ginger. Spice up your meals with garlic and ginger. These kitchen superheroes boast anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial powers. Learn how to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum respiratory benefits. Steam inhalation. Ever tried steam inhalation with essential oils? Dive into the world of aromatic therapy as we explore how eucalyptus and tea tree oil-infused steam can open up your airways and leave you feeling refreshed. Turmeric. Uncover the wonders of turmeric and its active compound, curcumin. We'll show you how to make turmeric a staple in your diet or consider supplements under expert guidance. Essential oils. Essential oils to the rescue. Discover the power of diffusion with eucalyptus, peppermint, and tea tree oils. Learn how these oils can transform your living space into a haven for respiratory health. Maintain a clean environment. Clean living equals healthy breathing. Explore tips on reducing indoor pollutants, choosing natural cleaning products, and incorporating air purifying plants for a lung-friendly home. Exercise regularly. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking or swimming improve lung capacity and circulation. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Neti pot. Last but not least, meet the neti pot. Learn the art of nasal irrigation with a saline solution to bid farewell to congestion and promote clear respiratory passages. Thanks for joining us on this lung detox journey. Which remedy will you try first? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for more health and wellness content, and until next time, breathe easy and stay healthy.